everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hannah Dawson from Hannah Dawson Fitness. You've been following me for a while, and then you know. If you are new, comment below I am new. Today you guys, I'm just showing you how to make meal prep really simple. One recipe. This one is straight from the Fit Club meal plan this month. This one is shrimp, asparagus, pesto pasta. Oh, so good. I love pasta. So these are the ingredients that we are using today for this recipe. If you are vegan, you can use tofu or edamame or another source. I'm using shrimp today, and I'm using chickpea pasta. Again, if you are vegan, chickpea pasta has quite a bit of protein in it. Actually, it's got like 23 grams in this thing, so you could just put some edamame or, again, like tofu. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make it. I'm going to show you how I weigh out my meat, and I'm going to show you how I portion, how I package and portion it for my week. This recipe is going to make 3 servings, so I'm just going to make a big batch, and then I'm just going to divide it between 3 containers, and I will explain about macros and breakdown as we go. You guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments below if you'd like to see more recipe videos. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I do upload new videos. Other than that, you guys, I hope you enjoy.
All right, you guys, so first step, get your water boiling on the stove because you are gonna want to prep your pasta or cook your pasta. I weigh my pasta out dry on my scale because the recipe for 3 servings is 6 ounces. So I just use a bowl, and then once the water's boiled, I put that in. So that's the first step. Next, I am prepping the asparagus by just giving it a rinse, and then I'm going to chop it up. And then once that's done, I'm going to weigh out my shrimp. I've let it de-thaw, and I'm just going to put the pan on the scale. This is the easiest way to do it. I forget exactly how many ounces that I needed for the recipe. I'll put it up here on the screen because I'm recording this looking back at the video, you guys. So I'm going to weigh it out for 3 servings, and then when it's done, I'll just divide it between my containers. Once I have all my shrimp weighed out and portioned out, I'm going to cut up my asparagus, and I'm going to spread it on there because this is a 1-pan, amazing quick little recipe, you guys. Just a tip, anything that you can cook meat and veggies in 1 pan is going to make your life way easier. The asparagus, the shrimp, you're going to put a little bit of olive oil on it. Some salt and pepper if you want. I think I just put a little bit of salt, and then we're going to cut up some lemons, fresh lemons, and we're going to bake this in the oven. So good, so easy. Like, this is the easiest, simplest recipe you can make for meal prep. It's just so convenient. Now I'm going to slice the lemons into like little slicer things like this, and cut them in half, and then I'm just going to place them over top of the shrimp and the asparagus, and then the ends I'm just going to squeeze in. My pasta is ready now, so I'm just going to put that in and stir it. Now note, chickpea pasta takes a little bit longer to cook, so you're going to have to cook it longer than pasta. I would keep trying it, or else it can taste kind of hard, so cook it a little extra long so it's softer. All right, make sure you stir your pasta. It's going to take a little bit extra long. I find chickpea pasta takes a little bit longer to cook, so just make sure you taste test it, and then stir the shrimp and the asparagus. Just mix it around so it cooks evenly. It doesn't take long at all. As soon as it's done, I just pour the pasta back into that bowl, and then I mix the pesto. So 3 tablespoons because this whole thing makes 3 servings. So you're going to stir it, mix it well, and then you're going to divide it between 3 containers. And don't worry about weighing it out individually because you're going to be eating this for 3 days in a row at your lunch or your dinner or whatever. So remember, calories also, your macros also don't just go daily, they go bi-weekly. So you can track weekly, daily, but at the end, it's the law of average. So if you're eating this for each day, it's okay if some has a little bit more pasta, or maybe one has 1 or 2 more shrimp. It's not a big deal because you're going to be consuming that over the week.
All right, you guys, there is the shrimp pesto pasta. I'll put the macros right here for you. Other than that, you guys give me a thumbs up, leave your questions and comments below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.